What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. That is right, guys, and in today's video, got some really good, updated great news on Golden Nugget and good news update on Apxt technology. You're going to hear this here first, guys. Also, we're on Webull. We made our first purchases today, so I'm letting my people here know that is following me and the $100 portfolio series. Here is what I picked up today, guys. So ticker symbol EVRI, Avery Holdings. I bought 2 shares of Avery Holdings just today. And I also bought ticker symbol PCPL. It is a SPAC, it's a new SPAC, but it's E2 open and it's a software chain company, guys. So we bought 2 shares of that right now. So far, we have a total market value of $47.64. And we still have $53.22 in buying power. So if you want to follow along with me and the $100 portfolio series, there's the first link down in the description, guys. Download that link, deposit $100, get up to 4 free stocks on Webull. Get those free stocks, guys. And when you get that $100 in your account, I think you're still good to get these stocks, guys. I don't think they're going to take off anything crazy. Get 2 shares of ticker symbol EVRI and 2 shares of PCPL. And guys, we're going to be on the road to see how this goes as weeks go by, as months go by, and to see how the $100 portfolio goes. And when I add money, I will give you all a heads up if I'm adding $25 or $50 or $100, just so you guys can follow along and add up as well with that, guys, so we can keep up together and watch this $100 portfolio. As you see, I'm already up 86 cents. So the portfolio is already up almost 1%. But guys, let's get to the actual video here of the good stuff. Talking about our 2 bays, LCA my bay and Apxt technology, guys. So hope y'all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. All right, guys, let's get to it. Let's go. Alright, guys, so here's a quick update on the main portfolio here on Robinhood. You know, yesterday we got clapped a little bit in the market, but today's not looking bad. We did get positive. We are up about 0.9%, up about $44 or so. So it's a positive, we will take it. And guys, calm down about getting worried about a stock when it's fluctuating a little bit, going up and down, man. We are here on the channel as known Buy the Dip, guys. You're watching me, we're all about buying the dip. So a lot of people is freaking out because they get on here and they're like, oh my God, LCA went the whole way down to 21.87. Well, first I'm gonna say congratulations to anyone bought it at $21. So either bought shares or bought options, man. Guys, that's what we do. When this thing dips, you buy that dip. That's right, when it dips, you buy it, man. You buy that bad boy. And as you can see, it literally dipped down and it immediately shot back up because there was a lot of people out there taking that advice to buy it. Shot the whole up to 23.52. And believe it or not, guys, even though it was kind of rocky the whole day for LCA, we still ended up about 2% to the positive overall, which is really nice. So can't complain about that. We ended the day at 23.47. I'm excited to see what's going to happen tomorrow with LCA, man. I'm waiting for this thing to break up over that $25 mark to get up in the 28s or something, 27, 28. And I believe as the merger is getting closer, it's going to happen, guys. It's going to happen. And I got some really great information here for you on Michigan. It's getting us a little bit closer to getting into Michigan, guys. So all right, guys, and the update on Michigan, as you know, if you've been following the channel, the vote for Michigan to become legally online gambling is supposed to happen December 8th. Due to the pandemic, there was an outbreak, the legislator in Michigan, and the date got postponed to January the 12th. So here's something that just updated today, because I'm on here checking this daily. December 10th updates, that is today, guys. This was updated at 4:15 p.m. Operators begin receiving provisional license. So the Michigan Gaming Control Board licensed 15 online gambling operators provisionally for both internet gaming and sports betting. So it's saying here that several more procedures need to take place for the online gambling launch. Nothing has changed about the official projection launch, which will be coming early in 2021. But basically, guys, Michigan wanted to go ahead and get a provisional credit for these places to go ahead and start getting stuff ready, because they want those tax dollars, guys. They want that revenue in Michigan. So they are pushing to get this done, guys. Here's a list of the companies. You got William Hill, FanDuel, BetMGM, you got Churchill Downs, DraftKings, GAN, and here's the one we care about, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Yes, sir, that is what we care about right there. They have NYX Digital Gaming, Parks Interactive, Penn Sports Interactive, PointsBets Michigan, Rush Street. Then we got Canby, and then we got TSG, FoxBet, and we got Win. So, if you guys are not in Golden Nugget, but you're in those other plays, that is good for you, because that lets you know that these plays are going to be into Michigan very shortly. There's a lot of DraftKings people out there. So very, very good news here, guys, for Golden Nugget and all the other online places and casinos that's going to be able to be up and running. So let's just go back and take a peek at the options and keep it updated. All right, guys, still rocking 110 shares here on Robinhood at an average cost of $13.14, up over 78%, up $1,100 and some dollars at the current price point. And my two contracts are currently up only 1.82%. I'm up $6 on the total return for that now. We will get that official update, and I'm curious, man. I think as the hype comes in, and hopefully we can get LCA on Kramer or get another Tillman Tuesday, man, to really get this pumped up for the merger, so these options contracts can go to the moon, and that way your boy gets a lot of buying power to be able to have it ready for when these dips happen, guys. So now I got some real good news about Apxt Technology, so let's get into it. All right, guys, and as you know here, Apxt had a little bit of a rocky day, nothing too major. It ended at $14.48 here, down about 1.4%, nothing like 20 cents, so no one's really caring about that. But congratulations to anyone that bought this down here at $14.03 today on the dip. Big congrats to you guys. I'm still holding on to myself. I got 50 shares at an average cost of $14. And on my position, I'm up 3.46%, up only $24. But as you guys know, I'm not worried about selling that. I'm keeping that because I'm going to get up to my 100 shares. So we can start doing covered calls into wheel strategy, which LCA is on its way there, guys. We're going to be doing the wheel strategy soon once we can get above that $30 price point on our shares here on Robinhood. The Fidelity shares I'm hanging on to until we can get up to some crazy amount of money. I'm going to hang on to those Fidelity shares, but let's get into the news that I think is pretty good for Apxt, guys. So all right, guys, yes, we are here on the SEC filing for Apxt Technology, guys, and we have a very important date for Apxt, so I wanted to bring this to you. I think this is very important if you're investing in this stock. You know about this. They had a good bit here of two filings, one on December 7th and one on December 8th. And I was in here reading the one on December 8th, and I got into this here, and I thought this is something we need to cover on the channel to keep you guys informed of what's going on. Because, yeah, it's great to tell someone to buy a stock, but we need to keep up to date on the news that is happening with the stock. So that's why I want to bring you these updates, guys, on the stocks that we are purchasing. So this here is saying that you are cordially invited to the 2020 annual meeting stockholders of Apxt Technology, and that meeting is to be held December 22nd of this year at 11 a.m. And this is for the meeting and proxy statement of the annual meetings are attached, guys. This is the proposed annual meeting is to consider a vote upon the following proposals. There's three big things, so this is really key that we know what they're in here to vote about on December 22nd. To elect 2 directors to serve as Class 1 directors of the company's board of directors until 2023 annual meeting of the stockholders or until their successors are elected or qualified. Number 2, to ratify selection by our audit committee of Withum Smith Brown, PC, to serve as our independent registered public accounting firm for the year end of December 31st, 2020. And number 3, such as other matters may properly come before the annual meeting or any adjournment or postponement. So, it says down here then the board unanimously recommends a vote for the election of the director and nominees and for the ratification of Withum Smith Brown as to serve as an independent registered public accounting firm. So, guys, that is very huge here that they have a vote coming up, and they're going to be getting some board of directors and big things there. So I think that is really key that you guys are aware of that. Get on this SEC filing, guys, and check out these votes and read these things, man. We want to know what's going on, because all it takes is one thing to come out bad and the stock you love could plummet, man. You just never know. So just want to keep you guys updated on everything that's going on with basically, man, LCA, Tattoo Chef, Apxt, and now we're going to be covering Avery, PCPL, man. We're going to be talking about a lot of great stocks on this channel, and I'm really excited. All right, guys, and last but not least, of course, we got to talk about Tattoo Chef, man. We got some options contracts on this. Now, I did sell my small options contract. It was only a $20 contract that I purchased. I ended up selling it for 40 bucks. So I doubled my money on that purchase, and I will put that right here. As you can see, look at the 1 week chart for Tattooed Chef. If you notice, it's constantly trending upwards, guys. And that's what we want, because as it's trending upwards, we have our 2 big contracts. If you guys followed me, we got these January the 15th, 2021 call options, guys. $20 strike price call. As you can see right here, total return, I'm up $61. I'm up 42% on that investment. So guys, the plan is, we still have about a month to go on these contracts. As you know, my bull thesis on this. New Year's Eve resolutions, plus the earnings date will be right around shortly after these contracts. So as you know, what happens to stock before earnings? They tend to rise up before earnings, and then after earnings, they plummet a little bit. So I'm hoping that happens here. Earnings are supposed to be end of January. So we have to the 15th to hope this bad boy gets up. Guys, our goal is to get above 20 bucks and maybe sell these out over $20. Maybe sell one, let one ride. You can do what you want, but over 20 bucks, if you want to sell and take all your profit, go for it. I'm happy for it. So guys, just wanted to give you that update where I'm at on everything. Guys, if you appreciate this video, please hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. Right there it is. Buy the dip. So guys, let's get to it, baby. Let's go!